What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, we do have another update on Solana, which is up 7% at the moment, trading at $195, guys. So what is next for Solana, especially with the crypto pump bull run that is going on with Bitcoin at $117,000? Can we predict or expect Solana to hit $300-400 over the next couple of weeks? That's what we'll be going through and essentially looking at its prediction over the next few days. But before I do that, if you're new to the channel, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And also, this is no financial advice. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So Solana at the moment is overvalued. As you guys can see at the bottom, the RSI is at 73.11, which is pretty high compared to where it was at previously. Reason for that is the pump that has been taking place not just over the last 24 hours, but over the last week it is up 20%, and over the month a massive 44%, majority of the pump coming from the last 2 weeks. So it is time for the crypto to take a minimal dip. Doesn't mean it's going to be a major drop or anything like that. If I zoom in into the hourly chart, you can see it's already started to hit a few red candles, and it is likely to hit a few more red candles, potentially dropping down just below $190 before it slowly starts to gain value again, going into late July, early August, heading over the $200 mark, guys. Even though it did hit nearly $200 earlier this afternoon, about a couple of hours ago, it has taken a dip since. Towards the end of the week, I'm predicting it to head over 210, 220, which is slightly higher than where it is at the moment. So if we do bring in the MACD indicator on the hourly chart, we can see the MACD line is looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, trading below the signal line, indicating a bearish movement for Solana over the coming 12 to 14 hours. So essentially what I mentioned at the start of the video, more drops are likely to appear. Zooming onto the 4-hour chart, now we are looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, indicating an overall increase in value for Solana over the next week and a half, going into late July, early August. The crypto should be hovering around 220 to 30, slightly higher, but around that price range is where I'm predicting Solana to head up to over the coming week and a half. Zooming out to the daily chart, again, we are looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, indicating an overall bullish movement for the crypto. And essentially, it should be heading closer to $300, because I'm also expecting Bitcoin to be heading over $145, $150 towards the very end of the year, which should have a major positive impact, not just on Solana, but the crypto market in general. So Solana should be heading over $350 by the end of the year. But if you guys do want regular updates on Solana, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. Now, bringing on the Bollinger Band, we can see the crypto again is trading above its highest value that is meant to be trading at, which is the red value here at $190. However, it is trading at $195, hence why I was predicting a price correction. This is the second indicator telling us the crypto is overvalued and likely to go through a minimal correction. So essentially it should be hovering below the red line here, below $190. So far so good for Solana for the long term. Even for the short term, even though dips are always part of the process, again, dips, guys, you are going to see red candles and so on, but as long as the overall outcome is positive, that's all that matters. And we can also see here the trading volume is up nearly 100%, currently at a massive $11.57 billion. And over the last month itself, the trading volume has slowly been increasing from $2 billion about 3 weeks ago to right now $12 billion. Is absolutely insane, and it is likely to keep heading upwards from here onwards due to the, I wouldn't call it a bull run, but an increase that is taking place in the crypto market, which we should expect huge increases over the next couple of months. So yeah, that is my take on Solana. If you guys want to learn about technical analysis and how to get into trading platforms and so on, you guys can access my trading guide, which I will leave a link to in the description box down below. There is an offer ongoing, everything will be there, so make sure you check it out if you guys do want to get involved. Let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys predicting Solana to head up to in 2025? I've seen a lot of people saying $1,000 on social media. However, $1,000 is way out of the scale. It will require a huge increase, which will make Solana not sustainable. And again, as I said, $350 is where I'm predicting Solana to head up to by the end of the year. Let me know what your thoughts are on that and how high are you guys predicting this crypto to go. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Before you click off, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video to enter the cryptocurrency giveaway. And I'll catch you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.